This is incredible. My Pleco is actually moving today. He usually never moves, and today he's like super active. Look at that. Here you go. Here you go. He's just cleaning everything. It's crazy. Like I said, he usually never moves. But look at him today. He's just going and going. Clean, buddy, clean. And then of course we have the camouflage guy in the back. Look at him being lazy back there. Hey there, crappie. Got the bass here. You hungry, buddy? Nah, you already ate. You good. Hey there. Like I said, my Pleco is extremely active today.
Well, he really is.
Yeah, I'm recording him today.
Yeah.
He never moves. They're happy in the new tank. They've gotten a lot bigger since I got them. So clean there, buddy. Clean, clean, clean. Here it is. I've never seen him move so much.
Okay, now you can buy another game for $7.